May indikasyong maaaring may kaugnayan ang Chinese Communist Party sa shipment ng 1.5 tons o nasa 10 bilyong pisong halaga ng droga na nasabat sa isang fishing boat sa karagatang sakop ng Zambales kamakailan. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, may markang Chinese characters ang mga pakete ng iligal na droga na nakumpiska at kasama din sa naaresto ang isang Chinese-Malaysian national. Anya may sapat na indicators upang ikonsiderang posibleng bahagi ito ng sistematikong hakbang para pahinain ang kinabukasan ng mga kabataan. Dahil dito pinalawak ng AFP at Philippine Navy sa pangunguna ng Department of National Defense ang kanilang operasyon sa Archipelagic Defense kabilang ng pagmomonitor hanggang sa exclusive economic zone ng bansa. Anya, ang operasyon kung saan nasabat ang 1.5 tons ng shabu ay bunga ng malawakang depensa sa ating teritoryo.
Historically, there have been instances of large holes of illicit drugs apprehended in the maritime domain, confiscated in our seas that had markings that appear to be Chinese characters. We don't have to look far. From the side of law enforcement, they look for evidence. On the military, we look for indicators. It appears that it is not far-fetched that this could be another effort of the Chinese Communist Party to destroy the future generation of Filipinos by flooding our country with illicit drugs.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Cass Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, the Music News Authority.